In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe QR code for payment in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your customer payment process with a quick and easy method, a Stripe QR code is a fantastic solution. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to visit the Stripe website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Carefully input your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up and create one. Once your information is entered correctly, press the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged into your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the home section of the site. You'll find a menu on the left side where you can see different sections of your Stripe account. Scroll through until you find Payments and give it a click. Next, under the Payments menu, you'll see an option labeled Payment Links. Click on that next. This section allows you to create unique payment links which can easily be associated with QR codes. To proceed, click on the New button to start creating a new payment link. You'll then be prompted to choose between products or subscriptions. Select the desired option that fits your needs. Once you've selected your option, it's time to add a product. Click on Add Product. This will open up a section where you can specify the product details. If you want to offer customers the ability to adjust the quantity of their purchase, don't forget to tick the Adjust Quantity option. After you've configured your product and quantity settings, you'll have various options to select and tick based on your transaction needs. Consider carefully which options apply to your setup. Feeling confident? Let's move on to Advanced Options. Click on it to fine-tune any additional preferences. Here you'll find settings for your call to action. You'll want to select Pay as your call to action to ensure clarity for your customers. With everything set, go ahead and click on Create Link. Your link is now created, and the next step is to transform that into a QR code. Locate the QR code icon, which should be visible on the page, and click on it. After clicking on the QR code icon, you'll need to decide how you'll use the QR code. Options typically include copying the QR code to your clipboard or downloading it as an image. Choose whichever method suits your needs and proceed to save the QR code in your desired location. And just like that, you've created a Stripe QR code for payment.